Today we're going to unbox my birthday present. Thanks to my auntie, she got real rocket jeans. I actually fully unboxed it just today, so it will take a while to unbox this thing. Also, maybe it's not hard. Maybe. Then wait. This might really take a while, so I actually found a way, so let's just know how to unbox this. There's a hole. Okay, here's a rare rocket jeans. It's this Captain Falcon for a superhero. Wait, I forgot how to do this. How am I supposed to do this? Like this. What am I? Wait. Oh, okay, I'm correct. Yeah. Let's take a look of him. Okay, it's superhero James. He looks nice in the show, in the episodes. Spoiler alert. If you never watched season 24, that I watched it really early 2020. Also, if you want to watch it about Super James, also he's not really superhero. He just pretends to be superhero to win. After that, something's very good happened to him. Also, he has a nice face, not dirty, and has some very rocky things, and this thing can be removable. Yeah, this can. Take a look, it's tender. Tender is alright. Well, it's a really good present. I can't wait to buy some things like Sunny the Well-Trained Engine. If you want to get it, that's I hope I can get it soon. Thanks for watching and bye. Boom.